Understanding Tablespoon of Oil, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in the English language, especially in cooking: tablespoon of oil. This might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and context. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important in English conversations, especially related to cooking and recipes. Tablespoon of oil refers to a specific measurement of oil used in cooking. A tablespoon is a standard unit of measure in both cooking and baking. It's important to understand that a tablespoon is not just any spoon you eat with at the table. It's a specific size. In fact, a tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons or about 15 milliliters. This precise measurement ensures that recipes turn out correctly. In cooking, the phrase, tablespoon of oil, is often used in recipes to indicate the exact amount of oil needed. Oil is a common ingredient in many dishes, serving various purposes like frying, sautéing, or adding flavor. Using the right amount of oil is crucial. Too much can make a dish greasy, and too little can cause food to stick to the pan or not cook properly. The phrase can vary slightly depending on the context. For example, you might hear, add a tablespoon of oil. Use 2 tablespoons of oil. I need half a tablespoon of oil. Understanding these variations is key to following a recipe correctly or communicating effectively in the kitchen. Here are some practical tips for dealing with this measurement. Always use a measuring spoon for accuracy. Be mindful of the type of oil used, as it can affect the flavor and healthiness of your dish. Remember, not all spoons at home are tablespoons. It's a specific size. We hope this video clarifies the phrase, tablespoon of oil, and its importance in English, especially in cooking contexts. Remember, cooking is an art, but it also involves some science, especially when it comes to measurements. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.